How to fix Windows 11 calendar not opening problem. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Windows 11 calendar not working problem. It's super simple, so let's head towards the solution. And first solution is we go to Start menu and from here we search Control Panel. Once you do that, you need to open it. Now from here you need to go ahead and click on Clock and Region. Then you need to go ahead and click on Reason. And once you do that, you need to go ahead and click on Additional Settings. From here, click on Date, and then you need to go ahead and click on Reset. And from here, you need to click on Yes. And once you click on Yes, this might help you resolve the issue. But if it is not, we need to move towards the next solutions. That is, we need to head over to the Start button over here. From here, go ahead and open the settings. Once the setting is opened, you need to head over to the App section. Now you need to go ahead and click on Installed Apps. From here, we'll go ahead and find Mail and Calendar app. Once you find Mail and Calendar, you need to simply click on three dots located right next to it, and from here you need to click on Advanced Options. Now you need to scroll down until you see an option that says Reset. You need to go ahead and click on Reset, and this will permanently delete the app's data on this device. And once you do that, this might hopefully help you solve the issue. And that's it for today. I hope these two steps will help you solve the issue. If it did, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.